Whose baby is this?
Hey, that's my baby! Oh my goodness!
I'm sorry, dude, I tried. I think it'll work out.
Would the council like to explain why we're here today?
Yes, Your Honor. In the beginning was Pinoy.
No. That's our 10 o'clock. We, the defense, are seeking Rule 11C motion for sanctions. And in bringing this motion, we are seeking to impose sanctions on plaintiff's counsel for a Rule 11B violation. A Rule 11B violation would occur when a representation filed in a pleading document by the plaintiff was defective to the degree that the representation could not have been made unless the plaintiff's attorney failed to conduct a reasonable inquiry under the circumstances.
Per Rule 11C2, we previously served a copy of this motion to counsel for plaintiff and waited 21 days for plaintiff to correct the defect. The federal rules permit a grace period of 21 days to allow counsel to resolve the defect without involving the court. The defect deals with plaintiff's allegation of a violation of the Age Discrimination in Employment Act that was filed in the complaint. Since we did not receive a response, we proceeded to file with the court this motion.
Mr. Cephalou, please inform me as to the disputed allegation that defendant's motion is referencing.
Ladies and gentlemen of the court, distinguished colleagues, my client Brady is not on trial today. Common sense is on trial.
Okay, stop. What are you doing?
I was doing...
You understand this is a hearing motion, correct? Please inform the court as to the disputed allegation that defendant's motion is referencing.
The allegations in our complaint deal with a violation of the Age Discrimination and Employment Act or seeking relief for violation of the ADEA.
The ADEA. Yes. Mr. Cephalou, would you please inform the court as to the threshold age required for a violation of the ADEA?
The defendant has to be a certain age to violate the statute? She looks at least 18. Shouldn't that work?
Mr. Cephalou, you do realize that Rule 11 requires pleadings to be submitted only after it is certified the pleadings contain knowledge found after a reasonable inquiry was conducted.
Yeah, but...
And Counselor, do you realize that claims must be warranted by existing law per Rule 11b2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then how is it that your submitted complaint contained an allegation of the violation of the ADEA when your client was 32 years of age at the time of his termination? A simple Google search would have informed you that the threshold age is 40 years old, Counselor.
Oh, wait. That's for my client? How old are you anyway? Don't worry. Got something on my sleeve. Your Honor, Rule 11b2 says that you can reverse existing law or create a new one. Wouldn't that be great to help out my client who was wrongfully terminated and lost his livelihood?
No. And even worse, instead of correcting the defect when defendants submitted their motion, you chose not to respond after the allotted 21 days and instead dragging all the parties into my courtroom today.
I plead the fifth.
You're not a wit. You know what? That's a good idea. Plead the fifth. Okay. Counselors, after frankly very little deliberation, I am granting the defendant's Rule 11C motion. As such, I am exercising the court's ability and imposing sanctions on plaintiff's counsel. The parties are ordered to submit to my chambers within 10 days a proposed order granting defendant's motion. That is all.
Sanctions! Yeah! Woo! What do we get?
Oh, they're just for you, Mr. Cephalou. A gift from me to you. Now get out of my courtroom before I put you in jail.
I'm confused. Did we win? Are we even a lawyer? You should be a lawyer. You're pretty good at this.
Next on the docket, Modak v. Minnesota.
Oh, that's me.
You gotta be